So I ordered the DJI Air 3 from Amazon. I had the Fly More combo with the RC2. Let's check it out. All right, we got a nice shoulder bag. With the drone. Lots of props. Quick start guide, charging cable, silica, that's it. Pretty simple. All right, let's get the props on. Got some A's. Whew. Okay, so first, quick impressions. No, I haven't flown this thing yet, but let me just talk about a couple of things. One, it's incredibly light when it doesn't have the battery. Those batteries are huge. That's how you're getting that 46-minute flight. Absolute improvement over the Mavic 3 in terms of SD card slot placement. I don't have to deal with the battery to get access to this card, which is nice. Strange that these props don't seem to be indicated on the motor which one goes where, right? They're props in, and it does tell you on the package but I thought that was an odd choice. Like, why don't we just have little markings on the motors like all the other drones? This camera is really low slung, but I guess that's to allow for a lookup angle, which is nice. Obstacle avoidance, we've come down to basically 4 sensors up here and 2 on the bottom for a total of 6. Just kind of angled outward with those big wide sweeping views. That should help. But yeah, I'm excited to fly this thing. We've got some front arm extenders to kind of help get this camera up off the grass, so that's nice. But a good drone. Excited to fly it. Okay, so I just took my first flight with this guy and fantastic. I really like being able to switch the cameras to do some of those dynamic shots, right? If I'm doing an orbit of a subject, I love that I can do it with both cameras. That is pretty cool. Flies smooth, excellent range, great picture. I do really like this remote controller. Lots to like about this drone. I'm gonna be testing this thing a ton in the next couple of days. I'm taking on vacation. I'm going to do a battery test. I'm going to do an app walkthrough. I'm going to do comparisons with other drones. Lots coming from this thing. Stay tuned for that.